right, you guys, Kid Squid Studios is no more. It is finished and we are closing the doors.
I woke up cold and out of touch. The photos and the memories will never be enough. But if I could walk those streets today, would you still feel so far away?
But fear not, my friends, we will be starting right back up under a new name and brand. We'll be doing all the same shit, but just in a way better format. Okay, so we're obviously going to start with a little spring cleaning. Drop it.
Copy that.
Confirm danger close. Welcome to Squid Shot.